Hey y'all, I am home from the office. I'm just here having a quick lunch. I forgot to film this morning. Well, I wasn't really planning on filming, and then I decided, you know what? I think I'm gonna do like a week in the life, what eat in a week, working 9 to 5, like week in the life, what are we doing? What's my schedule? That kind of thing. So I thought it would be fun. I've been watching a lot of those and enjoying them, so I thought I might as well make one because that could be fun. So came home for lunch today. Currently patting dry some lettuce. I really need a salad spinner, like terribly bad. I've been eating a lot of salads lately. I think because it's like summer is coming. Summer's here in Texas basically. So they just are sounding so good, but I hate having to dry the lettuce. It always seems to take forever. But I'm just gonna whip up a quick chicken Caesar salad. So I have some romaine that's, oops, literally about to go bad. So I'm gonna cut that up. Went to Costco recently and I got their chicken bites. These come in like a big pack of 8 of these individual little chickens. They're 140 calories, 24 grams of protein each. So I'm gonna throw that in there. Probably gonna heat it up because I really like hot chicken in a cold Caesar. I don't know. I'm gonna use the Kin's Light Caesar. This is 2 tablespoons, 90 calories, some grated parm, and I also have some croutons, and this tomato is about to go bad, so I'm gonna wash this and slice it, cut it up for the salad as well. Just added a little water to make it easier to drizzle over the salad. All right, here is the final product. Looks so good. Just gonna throw the dishes. I'll put those in the dishwasher before I go. But I'm gonna sit down and eat. Also grabbed a sparkling water. Chance is also having his lunch. You having lunchy? Hey y'all, I just got off of work and got into my car. The plan was to go to the work gym, which is just in like our building next door essentially. I'm kind of dying of cramps right now and I'm just like, ugh, I don't really want to go over there. So I'm debating switching my gym workout to be like a home. I'll go on a walk or at least probably get on the treadmill and like watch YouTube wanted to see what outfit I packed. That might impact my decision. But yeah, I think I'm gonna go home and get on the treadmill there and just do like a good 30 to 40 minute walk. Just something light, because I am at the beginning of my like cycle or whatever. And I'm just not. I was feeling fine all morning. I was like so jazzed to go to the gym, made my whole workout routine for the week, and then just as the afternoon progressed, I've been struggling a little. So I think I am going to do that, just let myself work out at home. Honestly, also for like the comfort of it. So I ate most of that snack. I have like one piece of chicken left, and I ate most of the hummus and pretzels. But there's that update. I did start an Alani. This is the Cherry Slush Mini, because I had every intention of going over and lifting, but that's fine because I can use that energy for my walk. And then tonight we're having pasta because I need some carbs in my life. I think I'm gonna do like pasta with these chicken meatballs from Trader Joe's. So I'll show you all that, but just wanted to give you that little after work update. I'm just gonna throw what we have left in this little chopped spinach bag in as well for a little green. Just gonna add some salt and pepper. Gonna add in these chicken meatballs. 16 grams of protein for 4 of them. These are fully cooked. I'm just gonna throw them in to kind of brown, and then we're gonna pour the sauce over and let it simmer together while the pasta boils. Do just a little bit of water to get the rest of the sauce out of the jar, and then later if we need a little more or it needs to thicken, we'll put in a little pasta water. And to the sauce, I'm just gonna add a bay leaf. I really like the flavor this adds, just kind of rounds out any sauce, keeps it from being too like tomato-y acidic. So I'll stick one of those in there to cook in there. I'm gonna add a little Italian seasoning as well. Oops, maybe not quite that much. I'm using half a box of the Bonza Rotini, which is 2 servings. And then I'm using the rest of these random shells. All right, y'all, my camera battery died, but this is the final dinner. I'm putting on some trash can Parmesan cheese, literally the best kind, in my opinion, so good. Okay, maybe not the best kind, but like nice to always have on hand. And a carbonated water. So there is dinner tonight. You finished? Dab for the camera.
I'm on camera right now.
Yeah. My camera died, so I had to use my phone to video this protein bar.